YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet after Google, with more than 1 billion unique visitors each month. Apart from this reason, there are several reasons that still make YouTube a great place for content creators. YouTube have also recently updated their user interface for creating a new channel, so it's a lot easier and user-friendly now. In today's video, I will show you from start to finish how to create a new YouTube channel. There are two ways you can create a YouTube channel. The first way is by creating a new Gmail email account, and the second is to use an existing YouTube account to create a new channel. I will show you how to do both in this video. So for the first option, go to google.com. On the top right-hand side, click on Gmail or Sign In. Both links will allow you to create an account. If you click on Sign In, you then need to click on Create Account. Choose if you are an individual, so for yourself, or a business. In my case, it's for myself, and then complete this form with your personal information and other details. The name you put in here is going to be the name for your Gmail email address, so be aware of that. Also, make sure that you provide accurate information when you fill out the forms, because YouTube is essentially becoming your employer if you choose to monetize your videos. Once you have completed the sign-up process, click on the Google app icon on the top right-hand side and then click on the YouTube icon. It should automatically sign you into your YouTube channel. If it doesn't, then click on Sign In and you will be signed in. To access your channel, click on your avatar on the top right-hand side and then click on Create Channel and then click on Get Started. To create your new channel, you can use the name and picture on your Google account, which you have just created, or you can select a different name for your channel. In my case, I'm going to choose a different name for my YouTube channel by clicking on Select. Remember that your channel name represents you and your content, so choose something simple and memorable. You can change your channel name at any time though. Check the box I understand I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings including YouTube search and watch history, then click on Create. So now that you have created your new YouTube channel, scroll down and upload your profile picture by clicking on the link Upload Picture. Your profile picture appears next to your videos and comments and in other places. YouTube recommends a square or round picture that is 800 by 800 pixels. Alright, now scroll down even further and here tell viewers about your channel. Your description can appear in search results and other places, so make sure you use some relevant keywords that describe your channel. Now scroll down even further and add links to your site. Sharing links helps viewers to stay connected with you and your latest videos. So you can add your website link if you have got one, your Facebook link, Twitter and Instagram. You also have the option to do this later if that's what you want to do. Alright, so the next step is to organize your channel. Also, if you scroll down, you can upload your first video here. Now let's click on Customize Channel. If you want to add a channel art, click on the link Add Channel Art. You can upload your own photo, or you can choose from the presets in the YouTube gallery. A really neat website that I recommend for creating a YouTube channel art and thumbnails is canva.com. Canva is a drag and drop website that enables you to create stunning looking professional images in a matter of minutes, and it is really easy to use as well. So click on Select a photo from your computer, Open, and then you have the option to adjust the crop if you want to do that. So since this is our default channel, every video we create will appear on this channel. If you want to create another YouTube channel and you want this channel to share the same Google account that we, for example, created earlier, this is how we can go about doing that. Click on the avatar on the top right-hand corner and then click on the round icon where it says YouTube Settings. Click on the link Add or Manage Your Channels. So you can see I have one channel so far. Click on Create New Channel, name your channel, click on Create, and then you can customize your channel again by clicking on Customize Channel. I can switch between the two channels inside the same YouTube account by clicking on my avatar and then scrolling down. If you want to upload a video, click on the video camera icon on the top right hand corner and then click on Upload Video. You can then click on the arrow pointing upwards or select File and choose a video from your computer and upload. Depending on the video length and format, and of course your internet connection, it can take anywhere between a couple of minutes to even an hour for your video to upload. So when it comes to appearing in YouTube search, the first thing you want to pay attention to is your keywords, because finding your video is mainly going to depend on your keyword placement and targeting the right keywords. So for my title, I have how to create a Facebook business page. I want to make sure that these keywords are also in my description with a bit more information there. And then later on down at the bottom, also in the tags area. Also make sure you include a high quality thumbnail to increase your click-through rate so that people will want to click on your videos because of your thumbnail. Like I mentioned earlier, Canva, I believe, is one of the best places to create a professional, high quality thumbnail really easily. Also, if you have a bit more cash to spend, you can also hire someone on Fiverr to create your thumbnails for you. If you want to be able to upload your own thumbnails, then hover over the question mark with your mouse and select Verify. So you need to confirm your telephone number and then you will be verified. So it's a very straightforward process. Playlists can help your viewers discover your content faster. To create a playlist, click on the arrow pointing down, click on Create Playlist, add title, make it public, and then click on Create and Done. If you're making content for kids, then you need to select Yes, it's made for kids. Now scroll down even further and click on More Options and then add your tags. Tags are really important, just like your title and description, because this will help your videos to appear in the YouTube search. Enter a comma after each keyword and you're done. Now select your language, subtitles and closed captions. You can also add a recording date and location if you want to do that. Choose a category so that viewers can find your videos more easily, and then click on Next. I really love this new user interface because it takes you step by step through the process. So here you can add an end screen and cards by clicking on Add. If you want your video to be published as soon as it's processed, leave it on Publish Now. You can also schedule a select date to publish your video and then click on Done. Alright, now if I want to add my custom thumbnail, I need to click on the video and then scroll down and click on Upload Thumbnail and then click on Save Changes. This is also the area where you can make modifications to the video that you have uploaded. So on the left hand side here, if you click on Dashboard, on the dashboard you can see how much views and subscribers you get and also how much money you make within a 28-day cycle once your videos are monetized. The comment section is where you can see and reply to comments on your videos. So for monetization, if you want to monetize your videos, you need to fulfill the criteria which is set by YouTube, and I will make a separate video about how to monetize your videos in 2020 because it's completely different now. So I'm going to click on the avatar on the top right hand side and click on My Channel. So this is our menu area. If we click videos, we can see all of our videos. If we click playlist, you can see them here. You can also add a public comment in this area, which will pop up on people's newsfeed. The final step I want to show you is how to organize your channel very quickly. So click on Customize Channel again. So click on For New Visitors, click on Channel Trailer, Choose the video that you want new visitors to see first and then click on Save. Next, click on For Returning Visitors, Feature Content, then choose a video for your returning visitors, save and done. You can also feature other channels here on the right hand side by clicking on the Add Channel and then add the URL here. You can also organize your videos by adding sections. So click on this option, select the content, for example a playlist, choose the layout, so horizontal or vertical, select playlist and done. I hope you found this video tutorial useful. If you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below as well, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so.